To avoid costly repairs and water damage, many do-it-yourself toilet installations fail because of a few recurring mistakes. Start by setting the toilet on a properly prepared flange that sits flush and is at the correct height relative to the finished floor. If the flange is too low, use a flange extender or stack wax ring alternatives designed for low flanges and follow the manufacturer instructions for compression. Use a quality wax ring or a modern rubber compression seal and center it over the horn of the flange, pressing the bowl straight down with even pressure to create a complete compressive seal. Rocking or angling the bowl will shear the wax and cause leaks. Tighten the closet bolts evenly and in small increments, alternating sides until the base just contacts the floor without cracking the porcelain. Hand start the nuts and then use a wrench with restraint. Do not use silicone or other non-recommended sealants under the toilet base to stop leaks because they can hide leaks, interfere with proper seating, and make future repairs messy. Silicone can be used around the base only after confirming there is no leak, and only as a cosmetic bead. Check bolt alignment before lowering the bowl so bolts slide through the horn without forcing or bending them, and replace bent or corroded bolts, which will prevent a uniform seal. After installation, push and pull the bowl slightly to detect movement, then run water through several flush cycles and inspect the base and the closet flange area for any dampness by feeling and smelling for moisture. Also check inside the tank and around the water supply connection for slow drips. Common mistakes include misaligning the wax ring, which shears the seal and causes leaks at the floor. Correct this by centering the ring on the flange and lowering the bowl straight down without tilting. Another frequent issue is a flange that sits too low, causing inadequate compression of the wax. Address that with a flange extender or a thicker wax alternative and confirm the flange is level. Over-tightening the nuts is a third typical error that cracks the porcelain or deforms the seal. Tighten gradually and stop as soon as the bowl is stable and does not rock. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for repairs or installations, so we can decide when to call a professional versus finish a do-it-yourself job. Our site also helps contractors find work and includes a discussion community where we share practical tips and real experience on topics like toilet installation and leak prevention.